you from? I'm from Iceland.
It's cold outside.
My name is Sam. So this is my 4th day today, which is really amazing. It's an exciting day, you know, because now we started taking the scabs off, which is amazing, you know. I've actually been blown away by the service here at Glojas Clinic. You see, you're always a little bit stressed, you know. When you come here and you meet the people, you know, and Glojas himself, you get way more confidence, you start to stay positive, and that's what really matters. I did research for a long time. I was looking for hair transplant clinics in Asia. But luckily I've been to Malaysia before, and Kuala Lumpur actually blew me away how, you know, developed of a city it is. So I said, okay, I'm just gonna check if they have a clinic in Kuala Lumpur to give them the benefit of the doubt. And then I found the Glojas Clinic, which was like above anyone else. They have all these awards. And I did a consultation, and I just liked the Glojas Clinic way more trust. I'm not saying they were bad, but I just felt the feeling, you know, and I think it was right. You know, I'm really pleased with the outcome of the surgery, for sure. Do your research, obviously, but don't think too hard about it. You have to take the step and you have to do it, you know. I think there's a lot of people out there who've been thinking it for a year and always just doing the research. If you find a good clinic, you have a good feeling, just go and do it. You won't regret it, for sure, you know. And I was actually really surprised because when I was having the procedure, I think there were like 5 nurses in the room, you know. So you feel so safe, you know, that like everybody is really concentrated on that everything is going according to plan. It's so professional. I'm so thankful for the staff as well. Go over and see if everything is going fine. A lot of confidence, I would say. The biggest point, we want to have confidence. You're doing the right thing. You're going to get the results that you're hoping for. You get every information that you need to make the decision, if I'm being honest. And then it's just up to you. Then the procedure day comes, and don't worry, you will feel stressed. That's normal. I felt it as well, you know. When you come to the clinic, it starts to go away because professionalism, you know. You get such a good treatment from the staff. So soon it will go away, the stress. When you go into the chair and they start the procedure, then it's gonna be no problem. You will feel a little discomfort in the beginning when you have the anesthesia. And yeah, after that, all of a sudden it's done. They patch you up, you know, and then you're on your way home. After that, it's gonna be easy. Yeah, and they give you all of your medications, and then they check up on you, see if everything's going to plan, which in my experience, everything went really well. And it's been healing probably quicker than normally, which is amazing. Thank you, man. Like, really, just thank you. The confidence is definitely gonna go up from here, and I'm just really excited to see now in the coming future how it's gonna look like, you know. It's also really exciting because now every day something like you're progressing into something that's gonna like the look that you want to have, and it's exciting every day to go up in the mirror and you look, oh, how does it look today, you know, which is really fun as well. But yeah, just excited for the future in a couple of months to see the outcome. So I came here to have a hair transplant, as you can see, and it went fantastic. Thank you, Glojas Clinic, for everything you've done for me. Hopefully everybody picks you, you know. Yeah.